of that, sir, a major amount has been given to merit cum means 124 crores, pre-matric 533, post-matric 405 crores. The total comes to 1,062 crores. Now, when you have a community whose literacy rate is 59%, you have a community which out of 100 graduates in India, only 3, you find 3 are Muslim graduates. And the problem is very grave. And does this government accept or believe that by giving mere 38,000 scholarships, the problem will be solved? This is what the government proposes to do. And this is a very meager amount. This is like a drop in an ocean. Unless and until the whole merit cum means post-matric and pre-matric is demand-driven. Is demand-driven, this real issue cannot be addressed. My request to you, to the Honourable Minister, is you make these 3 schemes demand-driven. Because unless until you do that, no real benefit is going to accrue to the Muslim community or the minority community. The amount, and for that the amount has to be increased. At least 1,000 crores should be earmarked for all the 3 schemes. Then only we can really address and we can ensure that some development will take place on the ground. Second point, sir, is about, I do not know, because what is Sachar committee recommended, Equal Opportunities Commission. The expert group gave a report on 13th March 2008. What is this government doing from last 3 years? It is sitting on that expert committee group. I mean, for God's sake, let the minority ministry be the nodal ministry for Equal Opportunities Commission. Because Equal Opportunity Commission, if and when it is created, will not only be beneficial to the minorities, but to also to other communities like backward class and Dalits. Because we see there is a growing gap in our society, in our daily lifestyle. We see there is a growing gap. Huge inequalities are there. This Equal Opportunities Commission can address that issue. Let this government take a definite stand on it. We do not know, sir, what is the Ministry of Planning and Statistics doing as far as the establishment of National Data Bank is concerned. That report is still lying with them. We do not know, sir, what is the fate of Diversity Index. What will happen to it? We do not know the fate of AMA, Assessment and Monitoring Authority. What is the Planning Commission doing on that? I mean, these are core and constructive things which needs to be done. Unless and until you do these things, your programs cannot really take off. You are doing some easy things. Yes, I agree, accept that pre-matric, post-matric and merit cum means are great things. I mean, this is very successful. But what about these things? Now, third point, sir, when you come to the minority concentration districts, 90 districts, I would like to point out through the Honourable Minister, this is the outcome budget. Outcome budget, page 24, multi-sector development. It clearly says that out of 89 MCDs were approved, 41 have been given full approval, 48 part approval. This in itself clearly shows that what kind of seriousness is there in the minority ministry. And then sir, 1,077 crores have been earmarked. In 2010, according to the financial outcome budget, 1,399 crores was allocation, and under the same thing, financial achievement up to 31st December 2010 is 572.38 crores. I would like to know from the Honourable Minister, what is it that is stopping him? I mean, the problem over here is that the minority ministry is giving money to the various state government. 21 districts are there in the Honourable Minister's district. 21 districts, and nearly, I think so, more than 1,200 crores if I'm not wrong, nearly 1,000 crores are earmarked for 21 districts. And in those districts, I'll give you some figures, sir, in Uttar Pradesh. 80,398 IAY houses have to be constructed, only 17,231 have been constructed. I am quoting these figures from the Minority Ministry website. Additional classroom 513, target is 0. School building 513, the target is 0. ITI 9, target is 0. Polytechnic 16, the target is 0. On only 42%, achievement is 0, you're right. Only 42% has been spent so far in Uttar Pradesh. And we are in the last year of our 11th five-year plan. I mean, I'm not a magician. Maybe the minority ministry officials are magicians. Maybe they can do a Houdini act by ensuring all the amount is spent before the 12th five-year plan starts. If this is the case in the own state of the Honorable Minister, you can very well imagine. And the most surprising aspect is that the Congress party is going to go there for assembly elections. And no one is tom-toeing about this scheme which can benefit them politically if it is implemented properly. Leave aside that implementation, they don't even want to talk about it. They don't even want to talk about it. I am surprised. I don't know why they feel embarrassed to talk about it also. And then you take Bihar, 7 districts are there, Shahnawaz Sahab. Only 31% is the amount that has been spent so far. This speaks volumes about the great Nitish Kumar's vision. You take West Bengal, our
बोलने दीजिए बोलने दीजिए बोलने दीजिए
I am not yielding, sir. I am not yielding. I am not.
और नहीं होगा
I am not yielding.
will go on.
I am not yielding. Shahnawaz sir, I am not yielding.
let him speak not to be recorded
And then you come to West Bengal. West Bengal, I was listening to you, sir. You are an honorable man. West Bengal, 12 districts. What has the state government spent? 57% only. 700 crores they have got. And what have they spent? 57% of the amount. I mean, this is the problem. Neither the ministry is interested, neither the state governments are interested. So I have to stand up here. The people of India should know that people who talk so loudly about love for Muslims will do this, will get stars from the sky and will give you a piece of moon. We don't want all those things. What is there in front of you, kindly implement it. That is not being done, sir. And this particular MCD scheme, I would like to point out to you, to the Honourable Minister, is that only in this scheme 30% Muslims are being benefited. It came out of Sachar committee. Why was the word minority used? And why was this criteria of 25% used? Why couldn't you use 15%? At least now, before the 12th five-year plan is finalized, the Honourable Minister should ensure that the 25% criteria is brought down to 15%. What about the Mungekar committee report? 251 minority towns are identified. Use that criteria for the 12th five-year plan and you will see the development that will take place. Now you come to, sir, 15-point program. सर मेरा नाम है सर
संक्षिप्त yes
कम से कम इसको तो देख दीजिए सर आप महाराज हैं
आपको पहले ही बहुत समय दे दिया गया
नहीं सर
संक्षिप्त करिए संक्षिप्त प्लीज कंक्लूड
सर you come to 15-point program. I am quoting from all the minority affairs website. 15-point program. Indira Awas Yojana, it is only 60% implement the target that is achieved. You come to SGSY, sir. SGSY, physical achievement is only 10% in SGSY. Priority sector lending, by 2010, the Prime Minister Pranab Mukherjee said it will be 15%. It is only 13%. And out of the 13%, Muslim share is only 6%. We don't know what is happening over there. Then you come to SDSRY. It is less than 10%, sir. You come to, again, I'll just quote it fast, sir, because of paucity of time.
Please sum up.
SJSRY, it is only 14%. This is so important scheme, physical skill training. You have many Muslims who can be used, who are uneducated for skill training, and your achievement is only 14%. I don't know whether the Honourable Minister is seeing this or not. Number of primary schools constructed Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, only 40%. And then number of upper primary schools, only 3%. Number of additional classrooms constructed, it is much better, at least 50%. Number of primary schools, again, sir, these are figures.
Please.
Sir, मैं conclude sir, मेरी बात जरा please जरा
conclude कीजिए, जल्दी करिए.
जल्दी कर रहा हूँ sir. JNURM, if you come to JNURM,